Question number 1. Which bird cannot see during the day? Option A. Pigeon, B. Owl, C. Duck, D. Parrot. Answer is option B. Owl. Question number 2. Which bird has longest eyesight? Option A. Eagle, B. Hawk, C. Owl, D. Robin. Answer is option A. Eagle. Question number 3. Which animal cannot walk backwards? Option A. Elephant, B. Kangaroo, C. Red panda, D. Rhinoceros. Answer is option B. Kangaroo. Question number 4. How many eyes does a spider have? Option A. 4 eyes, B. 6 eyes, C. 7 eyes, D. 8 eyes. Answer is option D. 8 eyes. Question number 5. Which bird's egg is the most expensive? Option A. Ostrich, B. Koel, C. Parrot, D. Pigeon. Answer is option A. Ostrich. Question number 6. Which animal's milk is most expensive? Option A. Buffalo, B. Sheep, C. Donkey, D. Cow. Answer is option C. Donkey. Question number 7. Which animal sees with their ears? Option A. Bat, B. Cat, C. Rat, D. Owl. Answer is option A. Bat. Question number 8. Which is the most intelligent creature on earth? Option A. Dolphin, B. Shark, C. Wolf, D. Monkey. Answer is option A. Dolphin. Question number 9. Which animal sleeps with open eyes? Option A. Snake, B. Fish, C. Bat, D. Owl. Answer is option D. Owl. Question number 10. Which animal's teeth never stop growing? Option A. Rats, B. Elephant, C. Monkey, D. Snakes. Answer is option A. Rats. Question number 11. The age of a lion can be determined from its option A. Color of nose, B. Color of hair, C. Length of tail, D. Length of nails. Answer is option A. Color of nose. Question number 12. The age of a giraffe can be calculated from its option A. Length of tail, B. Length of legs, C. Color of the nose, D. Color of the body spots. Answer is option D. Color of the body spots. Question number 13. Which animal remains standing even after death? Option A. Horse, B. Deer, C. Tiger, D. Camel. Answer is option C. Tiger. Question number 14. Which creature does not wake up again after sleeping once? Option A. Rabbit, B. Snake, C. Frog, D. Ant. Answer is option D. Ant. Question number 15. How many teeth does an elephant have? Option A. 2 teeth, B. 6 teeth, C. 26 teeth, D. 32 teeth. Answer is option C. 26 teeth. Question number 16. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Option A. Lion, B. Zebra, C. Giraffe, D. Elephant. Answer is option C, giraffe. Question number 17. Which animal dies after eating chocolate? Option A, cat, B, dog, C, rat, D, cow. Answer is option B, dog. Question number 18. Which country is the death penalty for killing an elephant? Option A, Thailand, B, India, C, Canada, D, Sri Lanka. Answer is option D, Sri Lanka. Question number 19. Which bird cannot lay eggs? Option A, peacock, B, chicken, C, sparrow, D, kingfisher. Answer is option A, peacock. Question number 20. How far can an owl rotates its head? Option A, 180 degree, B, 270 degree, C, 235 degree, D, 360 degree. Answer is option B, 270 degree. Guys, if you like my video, then please like and subscribe for more general knowledge video. Thank you.